fourth essential skill is empathy. All great salespeople have a very high degree of empathy. And empathy just means walking in someone else's shoes, seeing the world through their eyes. And what it means in business is lowering the risk. Nobody wants to take on a huge amount of risk when they're purchasing a product. Understand this about the business world, especially the corporate business world. The most important thing to someone who has a job typically in the corporate world is to making sure their seat is not occupied when they show up in the morning. And the best way to do that is to make sure they don't take exaggerated risks. So you have to position your product to be a very low risk investment. And aside from that, on the flip side of the coin, you want to set it up so that they believe that it will benefit them in their career and their company. It will deliver the results that you're promising. And that's how you lower the risk.